What is up, my friends? Welcome back to your average gent. It's your boy Evan. Denim jeans, a men's style essential, foundation, staple, and an absolute must-have. But all denim are not created equal, right? If it is not the right denim, you just look okay. You just look like any other dudes rocking denim. But if you master this top 7 denim secrets that I'm gonna be sharing with you, you gonna be looking like a freaking savage in those super bad boy jeans. And make sure to stick till the end because I may or may not have a bonus tip. I know you love bonus tips. And if that sounds interesting, without further ado, let's begin. Okay, the first super badass denim tip, and that is all about the denim wash. What is the denim wash? It is basically the color of the denim. There are basically 2 types of denim wash. You got the dark washed denim and you got the light washed denim. And of course, there are also a spectrum of different shades of denim colors out there between these 2 washes. But a rule of thumb is that your dark washed denim is always gonna be more dressy than your light washed denim. The darker your denim, the more dressy you can dress up your outfits. For example, you can throw on a shirt and a pair of loafers. And the lighter your denim is, the more casual your outfit is gonna be, so best to throw on a t-shirt and put on some sneakers. A pair of dark washed jeans is super versatile. It looks great on any body. You can dress them up, you can dress them down. A pair of light washed jeans, not so much. You can pretty much only wear it dressed down, but they are a super fantastic option for your summer. But if you just want versatility and one pair of denim to rule them all, you can never go wrong with a pair of dark washed jeans. Okay, super badass denim tip number 2, and that is all about the distressing. Is your denim super clean and no distressings at all, or your denim is super distressed and super a lot of holes? Jeans with distressing, those super distressed and ripped jeans, they are super badass, they're super rebellious and super savage looking, right? I love them. But at the end of the day, a pair of dark washed jeans with no distressings will still be the king when it comes to versatility and looking like a mysterious badass. Top secret denim tip number 3, and that is all about the denim color. Blue is the default denim color, right? Everybody is wearing blue denim, be it dark blue, light blue, medium blue. So blue, although they look super great, but they are a little bit overrated. When it comes to denim, not many people give the black jeans and the grey jeans enough love. Not many people are wearing these. To me, your black and your grey jeans are as versatile as your dark washed denim jeans. You can dress these bad boys up, you can dress them down, they look super smart and sophisticated. I may or may not have worn this to my corporate office to work, and nobody noticed. Plus, when you wear black or grey jeans, you stand out a little bit in a sea of blue jeans without standing out too much. On to the 4th super badass top secret denim tip, and that is all about the jeans length. When it comes to wearing jeans, you don't want to have a lot of extra fabric bunching around your ankle because it will just make your legs look short, look like they're not long enough to fit those jeans. The perfect length of your jeans should be just nice, ending above the top of your feet. And of course, if you want your jeans to be a little bit shorter, you can roll them like a pro, or you can have them hemmed. By the way, I did a video recently about how you can hem your jeans DIY style without using a sewing machine. I'll link it down in the description below if you want to check it out. Okay, on to the 5th super badass denim tip, and that is all about the jeans rise. Basically, how high the jeans sit. It is the length of the jeans from the waist to the crotch. Nowadays, most jeans are mid-rise, which means not too high, not too low, bam! Between your belly button and your hips. If it is too high, you will have a lot of extra fabric around your waist. And if it is too low, your pants will risk falling down and exposing your butt crack. And nobody wants to see them butt cracks, okay? Go with the mid-rise jeans. It is always safe and always classic. On to the 6th super badass, super top secret denim tip, and that is all about the denim fit. Is it regular fit, slim fit, or skinny fit? Unless you are like a super super huge guy or a super skinny guy, a slim fit is the best and the safest way to go. Our legs are not uniform from the top to bottom, right? It is thicker on the thighs and thinner on the calves. So when it comes to jeans, it is the same thing. Don't choose a straight cut, choose something that is slimmer, that tapers down at the bottom. Now, different brands have different fittings. A slim fit in this brand may be a skinny fit in another brand, so make sure to try out the jeans in store before buying them. And if you're not happy with your jeans fit, I also did a video recently on how to taper your jeans like a pro DIY style without using a sewing machine. Link below if you want to check it out. Okay, on to the 7th super badass, super top secret denim tip, and that is, which is also my favorite, it is to go for denim jeans that have stretch. Choose jeans that are stretchy. You thought this is raw denim? Nope, these are stretchy jeans. Now, I know raw denim is cool and all, and some people swear by raw denim, but if you think about it, they're so stiff and rigid when you first put them on, and it takes 3 to 6 months of consistent wear and no washing for it to fit perfectly and for it to become comfortable. Ain't nobody got time for that! If you want the most comfortable jeans right off the bat, you gotta try out stretchy denim, right? They are the game changer. And in my opinion, Uniqlo has the best stretchy jeans. Why do I keep talking about Uniqlo? They're not even paying me. If you know anybody in Uniqlo, gotta tell them to hit your boy up, man. Seriously. Okay, now before I go, here is the promised super badass bonus tip. And that is to try on a pair of white jeans. It is the most underrated jeans in the universe of jeans. They look super confident, super bold, super sick. Not many people dare to rock those white jeans. Plus, they are also super versatile. Remember at the start I talked about light washed jeans being only casual, but white jeans, they're different. They're not light washed jeans, they're white. And white is just white. You can dress them down with some sneakers, and you also can dress them up with some loafers and dress shirts. And of course, the only downside is that it gets dirty super easily because I mean it's white, so you gotta be careful with that. But if you do, you are gonna look like a son of a mafia boss with those super sexy white jeans that nobody dares to rock. And that is basically it for today's video. If you found this video helpful, make sure to smash that thumbs up button and let me know yo Evan. Awesome stuff, man. If you're new to this channel, make sure to click onto the subscribe button below and turn on the notification bell because I will be dropping at least 2 new dope videos every single week, and you just don't want to miss it, man. Once again, my name is Evan, you're watching Your Average Gent, and I'll see every one of you in my next video. Bam!